Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. In this video, we will show you how to make leaf glow effect in 2024. This is so easy, so watch carefully, please. Like this video, and down below a beautiful comment. Like this beautiful leaf.
Firstly, make the selection of this leaf.
Select brush tool, choose black color, and click one time on this white mask. Click two times on this empty layer with yellow color. Done. It looks perfect. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.